Remote control toys have come a long way from the days of simple cars and planes. The latest advancements in technology have given rise to a new generation of remote control toys that can do incredible things. From high-speed remote control cars that can perform mind-blowing stunts to transforming robots and even amphibious vehicles, the world of remote control toys is more exciting than ever. In this video, we'll be showcasing the 7 ultimate remote control toys of 2023 that offer a range of features and benefits to suit different preferences. Be sure to check out the links in the description to find out more about each product and their prices. 1. Traxxas Slash VXL. The Traxxas Slash VXL is a high-performance remote-controlled off-road racing truck that delivers an exciting driving experience. With its powerful Velineon brushless motor, the Slash VXL can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. Its durable chassis and suspension system can handle the toughest terrain, while its advanced TQA 2.4 GHz radio system allows for precise control and customization of the truck's settings. Whether you're looking to race competitively or just enjoy some off-road fun, the Slash VXL is a top-of-the-line RC truck that offers unparalleled speed, power, and performance. 2. Robosen Optimus Prime. The Robosen Optimus Prime is a highly advanced robot that transforms into the iconic Autobot leader from the Transformers franchise. With over 80 voice commands and advanced movements, the robot can walk, run, and even dance. It can be controlled via a smartphone app or voice commands, and its programming allows it to recognize and respond to its owner's voice while also learning new commands. The robot is highly detailed and realistic, making it a sought-after collectible for fans of the franchise. The Robosen Optimus Prime is an impressive combination of advanced technology, realistic design, and lifelike movements that bring the beloved character to life in a way never before seen. 3. Hogs Flippin Frenzy. The Hogs Flippin Frenzy is a remote-controlled toy that is designed to perform incredible stunts and flips with ease. Its durable, lightweight body features a high-powered motor and aerodynamic fins, allowing it to perform amazing aerial tricks and maneuvers. Controlled by a simple handheld remote, the Flippin Frenzy is easy to use and provides endless entertainment for kids of all ages. Its lightweight construction and soft foam body ensure that it's safe for indoor use, with minimal risk of damage or injury. Whether you're looking for high-flying fun or want to perform amazing aerial stunts, the Hogs Flippin Frenzy is a fun and exciting toy that offers hours of entertainment. 4. E-flite Eratix 3DFF. The Hogs Flippin Frenzy is an exciting remote-controlled stunt toy designed for kids and adults alike. This small but mighty toy features a durable and lightweight design, allowing for easy and agile movement both on the ground and in the air. With the push of a button, the Flippin Frenzy can perform a wide range of stunts, including flips, spins, and rolls, which makes it a fun and exciting toy for kids to play with. The Flippin Frenzy is easy to control, with its simple 2-channel remote allowing for intuitive movement and control. It's also built to withstand the bumps and crashes of everyday play, ensuring that it will last for a long time. The toy is suitable for indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile and enjoyable option for kids to play with. 5. RC Car Tank. RC car tanks are remote-controlled vehicles designed to resemble military tanks. They offer realistic details such as functional turrets, firing guns, and sound effects. Some models even have cameras that provide a first-person view of the surroundings. These vehicles come in various sizes and are popular among hobbyists and enthusiasts who enjoy building and operating miniature versions of military vehicles. With their unique features, they provide a thrilling and immersive experience for those passionate about military history. 6. Amphibious RC Car. An amphibious RC car is a remote-controlled vehicle that can operate on both land and water. These vehicles are designed with waterproof components, specialized tires, and sealed electronics that allow them to float and move in water and drive on land. They're popular among hobbyists and enthusiasts who enjoy exploring different environments and pushing the limits of their RC vehicles. They offer a unique and exciting experience as they can be used in a variety of settings and conditions, providing an adventurous experience for RC enthusiasts who want to take their RC experience to the next level. 7. Lego RC Car. The Legio RC Car is a remote-controlled toy car that is built using Legio Technic pieces. It offers a challenging and rewarding building experience for older children and adults who enjoy building with Legio bricks. The car is equipped with a remote control unit, allowing users to drive it forward, backward, and turn in both directions. The set comes with all the necessary components, including the motor, battery pack, and remote control, and offers a fun and engaging way to learn about electronics and mechanics. The Legio RC Car is a great addition to any Legio collection and provides hours of entertainment for builders and drivers alike. Whether you're a remote control enthusiast or just looking for a fun toy, these 7 products offer a range of features and benefits to suit different preferences. From high-speed remote control cars to amphibious vehicles, and even a transforming robot, there's something for everyone in this list of the best remote control toys of 2023.